Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate that you spend time to watch my videos and I hope you will enjoy this one. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. That will greatly help my channel to grow. Today's turning is an ash bowl for holding walnuts and I will make room for the shells too. I rough turned it around 4 months ago in the local woodturning club and their lathe was a little bit larger than mine, so I need to turn this turning here over the side of the lathe. If you have any questions or feedback on the video, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will answer all questions and comments I get. The bowl hadn't warped too much on the drying process and I started by using my 50-degree half-inch ball gouge to round it off again on the outside. I rough turned the bowl down to 1.5 inch and that gave me a little room for shaping the outside and inside of the bowl when dried up. After rounding off a little, I could get the RPM up a little bit so the shear scraping would go a little smoother. And straightening out the edge of the bowl before doing the inside and the crack repairing on the outside. The piece was already cracked up a little before I started the roughing and the drying process, and the plan was to fill it with shavings from the bowl itself and CA glue. That is one of my most used filling of cracks in the bowls. I use a very thin CA glue, so I'm sure it will run all the way down through the crack and it will go through all the shavings and dust I fill in the cracks. Before I start filling the cracks, I give the bowl a coat of cellulose sanding sealer, so I'm sure the CA don't color the bowl too much, places I don't want. It's not 100%, but it takes it down a great deal, so you actually can sand the CA away from the lighter wood. After finishing the crack repair on the outside, it was time to hollow out the bowl on the inside. And I'm still using my 1/2 inch bowl gouge with a 50-degree bevel. Whoops. And here I'm hollowing out the middle part of the bowl. The plan with this part is that when you have cracked the walnuts, you put the shells afterward down here, so you don't have them lying around on the table or other places. And then when it's full, you can just empty it out and fill up the walnuts in the outer rim of the bowl. and removing some tool marks in the inner part with the negative rake scraper. The form of the scraper and the bowl didn't fit, so I changed to a smaller scraper and took out the final tool marks. The cracks on the inside of the bowl, you can see here, I treated them exactly the same way as I treated the outside. First a layer of sanding sealer to stop the CA from coloring too much, and then I just filled up the cracks as you see here. I sanded the whole piece inside and outside from grit 80 to grit 240. Then I cleaned the entire piece with denatured alcohol to take off the dust. I realized I forgot to do the final shape of the base of the bowl. I used the skew chisel to establish the foot, and I did it a little inward angle. I gave the entire bowl a coat of Hampshire Sheen Cellulose sanding sealer, and after that I did the final sanding with abrasive paste from Yorkshire Grit. As a final finish, I gave the bowl 2 coats of Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax. All that was left now was to part off the bowl and do the base of the bowl and finish that. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed the turning. If you did, please give it a like and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And please subscribe to my channel, that will greatly help my channel to grow. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will answer every comment I get. I wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and stay safe out there.